New legislation aims to increase awareness about what's in our food.
Some chemicals will be banned from school meals. Mallory Metzner joins us live at the state capitol with this story. Good evening, Mallory.
Good evening, Dennis and Valerie. Right now, companies can add chemicals to foods without FDA approval or any independent review through an FDA loophole. Under this legislation, warning labels would have to be added to foods that contain specific dyes or chemicals.
People need to understand what's in their food. They need to understand what they're eating.
That's why lawmakers on both sides of the aisle support new food safety legislation. Representative Justin Fleming says some students get most of their meals at school, so those meals need to be safer.
There are all these dyes in food, and it's no secret. You know, Americans are getting sicker, unfortunately, and it's due in large part to what we're eating. Levels of diabetes have gone up, with more high fructose corn syrup.
Under the legislation, products with red 40, yellow 5, yellow 6, blue 1, blue 2, and green 3 could no longer be served in any Pennsylvania public school. And those items would need labels warning consumers that the product may affect children's behavior and health.
This is something we can really look at and see if it's going to correct those behavioral issues. It's going to be great in the long run for educators also.
Dennis Michaels with Metz Culinary Management oversees what foods are served in schools in central Pennsylvania.
We have a captured audience for those 2 meals a day. So that's something that we can really influence at any age, but especially at a young age, introducing very healthy, fresh food to them, chemical-free, dye-free. That could really help guide their eating habits in the future.
Both Fleming and Michaels say manufacturers are already making improvements, and this legislation would offer more guidance for food production. Representative Fleming says this legislation could change what foods are served in schools, but that those changes would be up to the schools themselves, since schools are their own political subdivision. Live at the state capitol, Mallory Metzner, ABC 27 News.